Hey there, my friends. I am at the beautiful Durango. See the sunshine, kind of the sunshine shining in. We're trying to make some sunshine happen here on Bau Zhu Zao Fu and pop some firecrackers and try our hardest today. And let's start out at 5 cent denom. Where are we at? 5 cent? Okay. And then I'm at 240 a spin to start. Magnificence? No. But we will try. Oh? Oh, where were you over here? Oh my goodness. Where was that? Oh? Oh? No. So we played a million times when the firecrackers were low, but here we're trying when they're a little bit higher. Just because that major looks good up there, so trying our hardest. Oh, is this it? Is this the moment in our lives? So we're up and up to 480. No. Come on, friend. Oh, that's 5 of a kind? All right. 5 of him is $21. I like it. Oh, my goodness, that could have been something. Oh, it always psychs me out. I always think. Now? No. It'd be a good time. Oh my goodness, keep going. Oh, okay. This game, for having like multiple bonus rounds and stuff, has pretty good line hits, I've realized, compared to some other games. Oh, no. I hope you guys are doing well. This is another day, another chance as a grand jackpot. That's what we're going for. Aim high. If you miss, you'll fall amongst the stars, right? Something like that. That's what I like to say, at least. Not yet. Those line hits were the only things that were kind of keeping us alive. But 67 for now. What's the next? Oh, 720. We did this. 720. It's scary. Let's hit some of those guys. Oh, I'd love to see a bonus at 720, of course. Give us a chance. Oh, the chance? No. We need a pop right now. How magnificent would it be? Now is a good time. You silly goose or crane or whatever. No. Come on, come on. Do it. It's scary when we're betting so big, people. But it's also exciting. We're trying our absolute best. Come on, Mr. Bau Zhu. Do it. Do it. Nothing there, huh? Nothing there again. Come on. Oh, I thought that was it. Extra spins and we need a double pop, that's for sure. But is this it? It is not it. Okay. We're trying here. Another 100 in. Just so we feel a little more comfortable and confident in our $7 bet. Try a couple more of these. Come on. You want to do it now? You want to go now? No? How about now? How about now? Oh my God, I thought we just timed it perfectly in our life. That was it. Oh, is this perfect? Almost perfect. Come on. Are you sure you don't want to pop? Okay. I just was giving him another chance. Durango Casino, beautiful day, kind of. Beautiful casino, that's for sure. Beautiful pop? No. Come on, double pop. I'm like, I guess I had to down the bet a little bit just to see if it reacts. Come on, Bau Zhu. I thought they did it. Is this the moment of our lives? It is not. There's some big bets, people. It's not. Oh my goodness. It's when we walk by and we're like, oh, all of them are done, so let's jump in, and then nothing happens. But now we're making it like this, I think because we warmed it up enough. We hate you, Bau Zhu. Let connect. Okay. We need something here, Bau Zhu. Oh. This is becoming scary, people. This is becoming scary. This is becoming scary. So let's go over to trusty 1 cent. So now we're in for almost $1 million, but hopefully we'll win at least 1.1 million. That is the goal. Let's see what happens. Smaller bet. 50 lines. So people say that the machines react more to bigger bets on smaller denominations. Let's see if that's real or just a bunch of hooey. I'm not seeing anything right now, so. Okay, let's try a bunch of like tiny bets, just like rapid fire. Just change the RNG a little bit. Do you hear this? It's literally like World War II over here. But that's it. But of course it does it on the tiny bet, but I was right about to switch, but let's see. Okay, what do we start with? $10 mini. We need a lot more than that. Just fill up the whole page at this point. I wonder how big is the biggest it can go. Like we see Dragon Cash, Dragon Link into 250x. What's the biggest on this? Okay. Can you do that again? I forgot that this was ultra spins because they didn't come the first 2 times. Okay, we're gonna need a lot more than that. You drop some huge numbers. I mean, it's not gonna drop huge numbers, but we want to test and see if it does drop one of those big ones. We pumped a few $100s in here, so it can react to our craziness. Crane bird. Come on, crane. Oh, crane. We don't need 50 cents, we need 500,000 cents. Okay, let's start. No bird. It's kind of showing up on anything except for that one. Okay, Phoenix bird. Come on, Phoenix. All right. I wish it multiplied everything, not just add a random like $1 or $2 or whatever the denomination is, I guess. Add a huge one. Okay, that's 5 at least. Okay, just drop a couple more. Why not? Okay, a couple more. Literally a couple more now, please. That little guy over there is the problem. That little guy is the problem right there. So, oh, there it is. Not a problem anymore. So this guy, can you join the party? Yes, see me? Oh, I thought he just came in, he was gonna drop something. He can come in and just drop that if he wants. 11,000 doll hairs. That would be really nice. Come on, come on. What are you gonna boost? Come on, come on. Drop it. At least game one more time. Drop huge numbers if you can. Okay, just one more random thing. All right. So close, yet so far, as they say. Right? How much is this? 55, I thought it was like a little more than that. Okay. We were rapid firing on our bet, so. Okay. About half of our money back. Let's do it again. Oh. Come on. Again. Oh. Imagine again. That would be crazy. The highest bet is 880 on this. That's pretty crazy. 880. Oh, that's a good one. Do it. Oh. Do it then. Why not? We need more red ones. More red ones, please. More red ones like this. Come on. Do it. Oh. Anytime one drops, you're like, oh my god, is this the time? Red and green. 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 That's a good purple. Oh. Red and green. Red and... Oh. Green. Red and green. Oh, okay. We're getting some good numbers up here now, people. Is it gonna do anything though? Far better than it was previously, but we were just like rapid firing to get on the right. Oh, come on, green. You're my gal, green. No. No. Oh. Okay. 25. I like that. Come on, green. No. I hear James Brown in the background. Oh, come on, red. You can do it. Oh. I hit that so fast. Come on, do it now. Okay, I think we're gonna try some more other machines and we'll be back. Love you guys. See you in the next one.